Today, our topic is arithmetic sequence. Before we discuss the meaning of arithmetic sequence, first we need to know what is the meaning of sequence. Now, sequence is a set of things, usually numbers are in order. Kumbaga, pasunod. 3, 5, 7, 9 is the example of sequence. These numbers is what we call terms, or sometimes it is called element or member. Now, 3 is the first term, 5 is the second term, 7 is the third term, 9 is the fourth term. And the 3 dots means goes on forever, or what we call also infinite. Now, in an arithmetic sequence, the difference between one term and the next is what we call constant. In this example, to find the constant, we need to subtract the first term from the second term from third term from fourth term, and goes on. So we have 3 minus 5 is 2, 5 minus 7 is 2, 7 minus 9 is 2. In this sequence, 2 is the constant, or what we call also the common difference. The formula in arithmetic sequence. To find nth term of arithmetic sequence, we will use this formula. An equals to n1 plus n minus 1 times d. To find the sum of nth term of arithmetic sequence, we need this formula. Sn is equal to n over 2 times 2a1 plus n minus 1 times d, where a1 is the first term of the sequence, d is the common difference, an is the nth term of the sequence, n is the number of terms of the sequence, and Sn is the sum of n term. Let's have an exercises. 1. Find the sum of multiple of 3 from 15 to 45. Means that the product result of one number multiplied by another number. Example, we have 3 times 4 is equal to 12. Now, these numbers 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and so on is example of multiple of 3. In this problem, first we need to look for the A1, AN, B, and N, where A1 is the first term of the sequence, B is the common difference, AN is the nth term of the sequence, N is the number of terms of the sequence. To find the A1, we need to find first the sequence of multiple of 3 from 15 to 45. Notice that 15 and 45 are multiple of 3, where 3 times 5 is equal to 15, 15 times 3 is equal to 45. It means that 15 will be our first term and 45 will be the last term. Now, the sequence of multiple of 3 from 15 to 45, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, where 15 is the first term and 45 is the nth term. Next, we will find that D, or the common difference. To find it, we will subtract the first term from the second term. Now, in this sequence, 18 is the second term. Then, we will subtract it. 18 minus 15 is 3. Now, 3 is our common difference. Now, D is equal to 3. You can see that n is not given. To find it, we will use the formula of nth term of arithmetic sequence. And the formula is an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 times d. We will substitute the given. Then we will have 45 is equal to 15 plus n minus 1 times 3. Using the rule of PEMDAS, multiply the parentheses first. We will multiply n minus 1 times 3. Then we will have 45 is equal to 15 plus 3n minus 3. Next, substitute the constants. We will have 45 plus 3 minus 15 is equal to 3n. Combine like terms, and the like terms are 45 and 3. Then we will 45 plus 3. Then we will have 48 minus 15 equals to 3n. 48 minus 15 is 33. Then equal to 3n. Divide by 3 both sides. 33 divided by 3 is equal to 3n divided by 3. Cancel out 3 over 3. Then we will have n is equal to 11 because 33 divided by 3 is 11. Now 11 is the nth term. Now a1 is equal to 15, an is equal to 45, d is equal to 3, n is equal to 11.